governors and also govern our Wajir County, the CEO IGTRC to acknowledge
Excellency Governor for Siaya, Excellency Governor for Nyeri, and Excellency
President and members of the summit. I have perused the.
These reforms are visible.
The summit resolution that the Cabinet Secretary for Treasury releases gross payroll costs to all counties by the second and third of every month, second or third of every month, ensures that every county then has money to meet their payroll costs.
Every community health promoter in Kenya will be enrolled under SHA for medical insurance, because these are our frontline foot soldiers in the delivery of health, and for them to be comfortable to offer that critical service, the government of Kenya will offer comprehensive insurance for all the CHPs across Kenya, the 107,000 of them, and the cost of the premiums for that insurance will be borne by the national government and the county governments on a 50-50 basis.